Everything changes when there is a new and especially first pup in the house. Suddenly, Suddenly, your whole life and routine revolves around it from the moment you wake up to the moment you go to bed. It rather like what happens when a new baby comes home. Author said that the whole routine of the family changes when a new pup was brought in the house. He says it is similar that as a newborn baby arrived in the house and the whole routine of the family members changes from the morning till the night. They have to take care of the baby. In the same way, when a new pup arrived in the house, they also take care of that pup like a human baby. We made all the bringing up mistakes it was possible to make with Bambi, and she reaped the benefits of all those nearly all her life. Reaped the benefits means get the advantage of. He says because Bambi, she was our first pup, so we don't know how to take care of that pup and we don't have much knowledge about the bringing up of pets. So Bambi, she took the full advantage of this thing. We never realized that pups, like babies, would test the eatability of everything that came their way. Author said that we don't know that, like small babies, like small infants, pups are also having the habit of testing the eatability of everything. Means as the human babies, they put each and everything that came in between where in their mouth and test whether they can eat it or not. Same is the habit with pups. They also test the eatability of each and everything that came in their way. And that pup had this insane and insatiable desire to chew to pieces absolutely everything. Insatiable desire means to a desire too great to be satisfied. So he says, and the pups are also having one more habit, that is to chew each and everything into the pieces, means to destroy a thing completely, and it gives a heavenly satisfaction to them. It wasn't very long before shoes and slippers were ruined. What the author and his family observed, that after they brought Bambi inside their house, their shoes and slippers, they started ruining, they started destroying, because the Bambi chewed the shoes and slippers. What next observation the people have made? Table and chair legs began looking like jagged around the edges. So Bambi tried to eat up the edges of table and chairs, so it looked jagged from the edges, as if the furniture was age old. And even books, some of which I still have, were partially pulped and smelt of something awful for ages afterwards. He says, not even the furniture and shoes and slippers. The Bambi also chewed the edges of the books, and some bad smell came from that books because of the saliva that was stick with the books, and it appears like this, that the books was of ancient age. We had to watch out that our pup didn't put her pretty face into electric sockets or chew live wires, which would have been disastrous. Author said we have to take care of the Bambi in a very well manner so that it cannot chew the live wire. Live wire, a wire in which the current is flowing, because if that is going to happen, that is going to be disastrous for Bambi. It's going to hurt the Bambi. On one occasion, she swallowed a fairly large chunk of her own collar. He said, what happened one day? One day, Bambi, she swallowed a large chunk of her own collar. Means the dogs and the other pets, they were having some belts that was fixed around their necks. So Bambi, what she do? She had swallowed a piece of its own collar. She didn't seem all discomfited, but it doesn't appear that she was uncomfortable. But I was horribly worried that if it didn't come out, she might have to be operated upon. He said she was not at all uncomfortable, but I was so much worried that if she is not going to vomit that collar out, then she has to be operated upon. Thankfully, she dealt with the problem in a simple way. The next day, she staggered around retching and was sick, and out it came intact. He says, but thankfully, next day she started feeling uneasy and she vomited, and that collar came out. And in a simple way, this problem was sorted out. But I am glad we didn't have cell phones in those days. He says, thank God we don't have mobile phones on that days. Of course, this chewing mania stopped as she grew, but it didn't stop her for snuffing her face where it was not required. He said, as the Bambi grew up, the chewing mania stopped, but now the another habit was developed, that is to smell each and everything whether it is required or not required.